Hi and welcome to Cebuana News. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Another historic feat for Mactan Cebu International Airport. MCIA wins Routes Asia 2023 Marketing Award for under 5 million passenger category in Chiang Mai, Thailand on February 15, bested more than 200 airports in Asia Pacific in this said category. GMR Megawide Cebu Airport Corporation, GMCAC, have always taken a two-pronged approach to route development, airline marketing to create supply and destination marketing to ensure the sustainability of its airline partners' presence and address the demand for air services. The Routes Asia 2023 Marketing Awards recognizes the remarkable efforts of airports, airlines, and destinations during their 2022 streak as they carry out their recovery strategies for 2023. The addition of new airline partners and new destinations in 2022 significantly boosted the post-pandemic traffic in Cebu, with domestic topping more than 80% of its pre-pandemic levels while international traffic also now kicking in at 36% as more countries ease restrictions. The Philippines Department of Tourism also was named the winner in the destination category. It has continued to be persistent in its efforts to partner with airports and airlines to reinstate discontinued routes and secure new air services. It has done this through marketing efforts locally and globally, regional travel exchanges and business-to-business meetings, joint campaigns, international roadshows, and familiarization tours for agents and media. Congratulations once again to Mactan Cebu International Airport.